Do you dream of retiring early? What if you could stop working decades before the traditional retirement age and start living life on your own terms? Early retirement might seem like a far-off dream, but it's more achievable than you think. By making smart investment decisions now, you can fast-track your way to financial freedom. Stick around as we break down the steps on how to invest for early retirement and make that dream a reality. Understanding early retirement. Before diving into the specifics of investing for early retirement, it's essential to understand what this actually means. Early retirement isn't just about quitting your job and lounging on the beach. It's about financial independence, having enough savings and investments so that you no longer need to rely on a paycheck to support your lifestyle. Financial independence means your money works for you rather than the other way around. It gives you the freedom to pursue passions, hobbies, travel, or spend more time with loved ones, all without the stress of earning an income. But here's the catch. Early retirement requires careful planning, discipline, and smart investing. Let's break down how to get started. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step toward early retirement is figuring out how much money you'll need to support your lifestyle. Start by asking yourself these key questions. What age do you want to retire? What kind of lifestyle do you want in retirement? Will you travel a lot, live modestly, or somewhere in between? What will your essential expenses be? Consider housing, healthcare, food, transportation, and leisure activities. Once you've estimated these costs, you can calculate your target savings amount. A good rule of thumb is the 25x rule. You need 25 times your annual expenses saved to retire. For example, if you plan to spend $40,000 a year in retirement, you'll need $1 million in savings. But how do you reach that goal? This is where investing comes in. Number 2, maximize your retirement accounts. The most efficient way to build wealth for early retirement is to maximize tax-advantaged retirement accounts. These accounts allow your investments to grow without being taxed until you withdraw the money. 401k plans. If you have access to a 401k through your employer, take full advantage of it, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. This is essentially free money that boosts your savings. In 2024, you can contribute up to $22,500 annually to your 401k, with an additional $7,500 catch-up contribution if you're over 50. However, since 401k accounts typically have penalties for withdrawing funds before age 59 and a half, you'll need to plan for how you'll access money if you retire earlier. One option is to use the Rule of 55, which allows penalty-free withdrawals if you retire at age 55 or older. Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is another great option for early retirement, offering tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. In 2024, the maximum contribution to a Roth IRA is $6,500 with a $1,000 catch-up if you're over 50. The big benefit of a Roth IRA is that you can withdraw your contributions, not the earnings, at any time without penalty, making it more flexible for early retirees. Traditional IRA. For those without access to a 401k, a traditional IRA offers another way to save for retirement. Contributions may be tax-deductible, and like a 401k, the investments grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. By maxing out these accounts, you're not only investing for the future, but also reducing your taxable income today. Number 3, invest aggressively, but wisely. The key to reaching early retirement is growing your wealth faster than inflation. This means you can't simply stash your money in a savings account. You'll need to invest it. Stock market. Historically, the stock market has delivered strong returns, averaging around 7 to 8% annually after inflation. Investing in stocks, particularly index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, allows you to build wealth over time through the power of compound interest. Why index funds? They provide diversification, meaning your risk is spread across many companies, and they typically have low fees. Consider S&P 500 index funds, which track the 500 largest companies in the U.S. and have consistently delivered solid returns. Real estate. Real estate is another popular investment vehicle for early retirees. Whether you buy properties to rent out or invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate can offer both income and long-term appreciation. Rental properties generate cash flow through rent payments, which can provide passive income during retirement. However, keep in mind that being a landlord comes with responsibilities and risks, so it's essential to do your homework before diving into real estate. Bonds and safer investments. As you get closer to your target retirement age, it's wise to start shifting some of your investments into bonds or other lower-risk options. Bonds provide more stability than stocks, offering a fixed interest payment over time. While bonds generally offer lower returns than stocks, they help preserve your capital and reduce the risk of a market downturn right before you retire. Number 4. Control your spending. Investing wisely is just one side of the coin. To retire early, you'll also need to control your spending. The less you spend, the less you'll need to save, which speeds up your journey to early retirement. Start by tracking your expenses. Apps like Mint or Personal Capital can help you understand where your money is going each month. From there, identify areas where you can cut back, whether it's reducing dining out, canceling unused subscriptions, or opting for a more affordable housing option. Controlling lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more, is also crucial. It's easy to upgrade your lifestyle as your salary grows, but that will only push early retirement further out of reach. Instead, maintain a modest lifestyle and funnel any extra income into your investments. Number 5. Create multiple income streams. Relying on just your salary may not be enough for early retirement. Creating multiple income streams can boost your savings and help you retire sooner. Consider starting a side hustle like freelancing, online teaching, or selling products. Dividend stocks are another option, as they provide regular payments that can be reinvested or used as passive income. Additionally, investing in rental properties can generate consistent income through rent, helping cover your living expenses in retirement. Diversifying your income ensures financial security and reduces the risk of relying on a single source of money. Number 6. Plan for healthcare costs. Healthcare is a major consideration for early retirees, especially since Medicare only kicks in at age 65. If you retire before then, you'll need to cover health insurance on your own. Options include purchasing private insurance or using a marketplace plan. One smart strategy is contributing to a health savings account, HSA. HSAs allow tax-free savings for medical expenses, and after age 65, you can use the funds for any purpose. Be sure to factor in rising healthcare costs when budgeting for early retirement, as they can be a significant part of your expenses. Number 7. Avoid common pitfalls. Early retirement can be exciting, but there are common pitfalls to avoid. First, don't underestimate your expenses. Inflation and unexpected costs can add up, so be conservative in your calculations. Second, resist the urge to overspend early on. It's tempting to splurge, but large withdrawals at the beginning of retirement can hurt your long-term financial stability. Lastly, avoid becoming too conservative with your investments. Keep a portion of your portfolio in growth assets like stocks, so your money continues to grow throughout retirement. Plan carefully, and you'll avoid these missteps. Number 8. Track your progress and adjust. The path to early retirement is a long one, and it's essential to track your progress along the way. Regularly review your investments, spending, and savings to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. As you approach retirement, you may need to adjust your plan. Life changes, and so will your needs. So be flexible and willing to tweak your strategy as needed. Early retirement may seem like a lofty goal, but with the right plan, smart investments, and disciplined saving, it's within reach. The earlier you start, the better your chances of achieving financial freedom and living the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.